Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Kenmore range oven and it's giving you an error F10, F30, or F31 and you're trying to figure out what is going on here, what is this error and how do you get rid of it. So all three of these errors, the most likely problem is the temperature sensor. So the F30 and F31 are actually faults in the temperature sensor. The F10 is actually a runaway or excessive temperature in the oven. But that's very often not actually excessive temperature, it's just a faulty sensor, and also the sensor is really the cheapest and easiest thing to replace. You can get an aftermarket one for just about 15 bucks. The hardest thing is just to get it. You can just order it online. I'll put a link in the description to where you can get one, again, for about $15. But anyways, once you get that piece, all you need to do is obviously unplug your oven, and then you're going to come around to the back and remove the back panel, and then you're going to look on different models. It can be in a little bit different places. Most of them, it's going to be towards the top right of the oven. You're going to see something that looks like this. This is where the temperature probe goes into the oven. So you'll just undo these wires here, this little wire harness, undo it, unscrew here, pull the old sensor out, put the old sensor in, screw it in, reconnect this harness, and then go ahead and plug your oven back in. You might immediately get a PF error, which is a power failure error. Doesn't matter, just cancel it out, and then you should be good to go, and that should fix your problems with all of these errors. So if this video helped, thanks. Please leave me a like. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.